Most roofing companies choose software based on marketing claims instead of actual business needs. That's one of the biggest mistakes you need to avoid. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best roofing software isn't necessarily the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you estimate faster, manage jobs efficiently, and get paid without creating extra work. In this video, you'll discover the best software options for roofers in 2026, who each platform is best for, and how to choose the right one for your roofing business. Let's get straight into it. If you're looking for an all-around roofing management platform, there are 5 names that consistently stand out in 2026. Jobber, Housecall Pro, FieldPulse, Servicetitan, and Acculinks. Starting with Jobber. Jobber is an excellent choice for small roofing companies and owner-operators. It makes scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer management simple. If you're running a lean operation, Jobber helps keep everything organized without a steep learning curve. Next is Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro offers many of the same core features, but adds stronger automation and customer communication tools. Many roofers appreciate the ability to send estimates, reminders, and invoices quickly from a mobile device. But here's the problem. As your roofing business grows, managing larger projects becomes more complicated. That's where FieldPulse enters the conversation. FieldPulse offers stronger project management capabilities, team collaboration tools, and workflow tracking. For roofing companies managing multiple jobs simultaneously, this added visibility can be a major advantage. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many roofing contractors eventually need software designed specifically for their industry. That's where Acculinks stands out. Acculinks focuses heavily on roofing workflows, including lead management, estimating, production tracking, and job progression. It was built with roofing businesses in mind rather than general field service companies. In a minute, I'll explain which software is often considered the most powerful option overall. That title usually goes to Servicetitan. Servicetitan delivers advanced reporting, dispatching, customer management, sales tracking, and operational analytics. Large roofing companies often choose it because it provides deep visibility into business performance. However, this is where most people fail. They assume the most advanced platform is automatically the best fit. Let's say John owns a roofing company with 3 employees. He may get faster results using Jobber or Housecall Pro because they are easier to learn and implement. Meanwhile, Alex runs a company with multiple crews and high monthly revenue. For him, Servicetitan or Acculinks may provide greater long-term value. The key takeaway is simple. Small roofing businesses should prioritize ease of use. Growing companies should focus on scalability. Specialized roofing contractors should strongly consider roofing-focused solutions like Acculinks. Now you know which software options deserve your attention in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, share your favorite roofing software in the comments, and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and business growth tips.